Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Shayna here, and today I have for you guys a little bit of a different video. I don't have all my lighting and stuff set up. I don't think we'll need it, so sorry about the shadow that you can see on the box right now. But this is finally the book that I had ordered off like impulsively that has been going around on TikTok apparently, and I saw it on Sarah's Nightstand's booktube channel. So I was super excited about it, and I am super excited about it. I just wanted to go ahead and do it on camera. I know maybe this isn't everybody's thing, but I figured I would just go ahead and show you guys this book because it is supposed to be, and it looked, at least on camera, super duper gorgeous. So I am really excited. I actually wanted to get this filmed earlier, but COVID shot number 2 kicked my butt. So I did not get it filmed this morning, but we'll go ahead and just dig in. I am feeling a heck of a lot better now, but this morning I felt like I got hit by a bus. So let's see, I'm probably doing this wrong, but you know, whatever. It looks like it's in a second box. It is. Okay. So I know nothing about this book. I don't know what it is about. I don't know anything. So this shall be interesting. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. I know it's a fantasy, that I do know. Alright, so it says, every book is a new beginning, a chance to learn, expand, grow, a new lookout, a new perspective, a new vision. Be sure to embrace the new. Welcome to the Octunnumi. So I am very excited. This book also has an app, which is pretty cool, with like pronunciations and stuff, because it seems like it is really gonna be world building. So yeah. Ooh, wow, look at that. It's even in paper. Oh, it's a big boy. That's a thick book. It's heavy. It smells good though. It smells like books. Kind of blends into my table since it's all black. All right, I don't really want to rip up the paper and stuff. So we'll go ahead and unstick this. Welcome home. Okay. I'm very afraid of ripping things that I shouldn't be ripping. All right, let's see. And then there is the book. Wow, look at that. So pretty. And I think this is why it's getting so much hype, but oh my goodness, look at that. How pretty is that? And then you have the pages with all of that around the edge, which is really cool. It smells good. It smells like a freshly printed book. And then I guess these are like collectibles. So we've got a little card. And then definition of words. That's cool. But yeah, I think these are like the whatever in this edition cards or something. Okay. So I think this is what the good lord. I'm gonna have to familiarize myself with all of this before I is this the same thing, just at a different line? Pronounceries of names. And then this is definitionaries of words. That's funny. So that must be just like the kind of writing style. So yeah. I'm gonna none of this helps me. So I'm gonna have to look on the app and see if they have pronunciations, or over on Instagram there's some too. I was afraid to dig too deeply into it because I didn't want the plot and stuff to be ruined for me. I wanted to go into this like almost completely blind. So the Octunnumi does not exist. Fospit and any files relating to Fospit do not exist. Let's see. The Tarlan peoples that protect and provide sanctuary for the Avitans of Fethreist, we're making these words up, are not real. The abilities of the Tarlan people, with their heightened skills living in their utopian world, are myth. Their purpose here, mere tales. Rumors of their reincarnations enabling them to live many lives, ridiculous. And there is definitely no magic, none at all. No, really, there isn't. Magic is not a thing. There's also no forbidden worlds or mythical beings coexisting just out of sight. Equally, there are no secret access points to these hidden worlds that don't exist. And there is no unfinished business from the past that is set to destroy, well, anything. Anyway, regardless of any potential threat that may or may not be present, this publication, the Octunnumi, and any reference to any other works or to any other beings is a work of fiction. And for the record, Scariondits, should they exist, are perfectly lovely beings whose purpose in life is grossly misunderstood. Interesting. Huh. Animal sanctuaries, that's cool. The Octunnumi, an ongoing entity existence series or whole that lasts indoors, maintains and retains, whether as an establishment, course, or action, offering protection. Interesting. So yeah, this will be, I'm very excited to read this. For worderies, introductionaries, appreciationaries. So yeah, this is going to be totally immersive, I think, which is going to be really fun. So I think I'm going to stop there because I don't want to ruin anything for myself. But this is the first book in what seems to be a series. I don't know. I impulse bought this, like I said, but I am super excited to have it. Look how pretty it is. I'm going to have to be, like, very careful because it is a paperback, kind of. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to share this to you guys. I thought it was really cool. So I think I'll upload this and my Worlds of Wonder flip through tomorrow. And then if you guys aren't interested in this, at least you'll have a coloring video as well. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Once I start reading this, I want to finish The Silent Patient first, but once I start reading this, I will let you guys know how it's going, of course. So yeah, thanks all so much for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, and I will talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.